going on, YouTube? Back at it again with another video, and today I bring you the Horizon Hobby SMT10. This is the Builders Kit. So what it means is that this truck is completely disassembled, and you got to build everything. And it doesn't come with any of the electronics, so you have to supply those yourself. But what it does come with is everything you see here, which is the whole truck with the suspension, all the axles, the transmission. It comes with 4 wheels, no tires, and it does come with a 2-year limited warranty. So let's dive into the truck. We'll take a look at a couple things. And if you hear a baby crying in the background, that's just my daughter. My wife's trying to feed her, and she's a little antsy today, but bear with me and we'll get through this. So on the side you can see some of the features right here. It's got multiple shock mounting positions, the rear sway bar for added stability, the trailing arm, and heavy duty steering links, which is always a nice thing to have. I haven't had any of these snap yet on any of my crawlers, but you know, with this thing it's a little bit different. You know, you're going to be jumping some jumps and whatnot, so it's always nice to have a couple upgrades that are a little more heavy duty than what you'd find on other trucks. We got some more features. We got the wild bore drive shafts, updated design for larger diameter cross pin 2x11mm for added strength, new center spline, slider floats between each end, added material on this part reduces flex and fatigue. It's probably a little thicker to be a little stronger, maybe on the ends, on the universals or the yokes. And it does look like the spline is different. Usually you would have the one big side and the one little side. I'm not sure what they did with this. Heavy duty C-hubs. We've got an easy access battery tray, receiver box, which is waterproof. It's always nice. The Axial 10 transmission, all metal gears. Let's see what it says here. Updated dual pad slipper system with a 32 pitch gearing. New slipper design used a pad on each side of the spur gear for added surface area, more precise tuning and holding power, stronger 32 pitch gearing for high torque applications, 56 tooth spur, 14 tooth pinion gear. It's geared for 2S. It's all metal internal. It's got a metal motor plate, which is usually comes on all the SCX10 trucks anyways. It's got a heavy duty slipper clutch and a sealed gear cover, which I'm going to say is probably how these come anyways. I'm not sure about the gears. I'm not sure if the gears in the SCX10s are plastic or metal, which I guess I'll have to take a look and see, because I've never opened those up yet. But because we'll be building these, it'll be nice, because now at least if the ones on my crawlers break or give away or get dirty and need maintenance, I'll know how to work on them. Because I'm going to say this looks pretty similar to the ones in my crawlers. What you need to complete it to make a ready to run truck is a 2-channel transmitter, which I will be adding this Tactic TTX 300. I got this at my local hobby store, and I have this on my Emax. It's very nice, very fast, responsive, really good range. It's got a couple of channels. You know, it's got some switches that you could use if I ever wanted to do a rear-mounted steering servo. Really nice ergonomic fit in the hand. Come here. Good papa, good puppy. I love you. I love you. I love you. The other thing you're going to need is a servo, and the servo of choice that I'm going to be going with is a Savox servo, an ESC, and a motor. And the ESC motor that I'm going to stick in here is either going to be a Castle Creations or a VXL system. Tires, I already have an idea on some tires, and basically everything else is just things that you need for either the controller or to power up the truck, and then the body. On the back of the box we got some writing, just little things here and there telling you what the truck has. Got the tube frame, chassis, helmet sets included, the wheels that they come with, which they look pretty cool. Alright, so inside the box you're gonna find all the parts you need to build this truck. Here are the trailing arms, some of the diff covers, some links, plastic antenna cover, some wrenches, some of these little, I forget what they're called, but they're basically, you put them on a track to let you know where you need to go. They're basically like markers for you to go through them. A little wrench, some stickers, the handbook, the manual, instruction manual. Got your cockpit, your little guy right there with the sponsor plates. Got our 4 wheels. Looks like we got some transmission components, some I don't know, some shock stuff, shock components. There we go. We got the shock sleeves, some gears, some fluid. I didn't know this came with fluid. Looks like 30 weight. Yep, 30 weight. So we got all the shock stuff in here. And then in this bag, you get all the frame, the helmet sets, the exhaust, your receiver, waterproof receiver box, some more links. Alright, so it looks like that's all you get in the box. They give you basically everything. So that concludes this unboxing of the SMT10. And in the upcoming videos, we'll be putting this thing together. Hopefully you guys are going to stick around so you can see what I do with this truck, because I got some ideas. Thank you guys so much for watching. And if you want to see more and stay up to date, hit that subscribe button and that bell icon so you can be notified about every upcoming video that comes out for this truck and for the bike. As you may know, my bike's in a shop right now. I'm getting the carbs synced and worked on and tuned up. And hopefully we'll be picking it up this week, and maybe I'll make a video and put it up for you guys. See how the bike is doing now as a comparison to how it was before. But thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you on the next one.